In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see history in Grammarly, whether you're a student, a professional writer, or someone who simply loves to keep track of your editing progress. Being able to view the history of your documents can be highly beneficial, so let's dive in and explore this useful feature that Grammarly offers. First, you'll need to head over to Grammarly.com and log into your account. If you don't have a Grammarly account yet, it's a good idea to create one, as it provides a wealth of tools to improve your writing. Assuming you already have an account, use your credentials to access your dashboard. You'll see your usual workspace where all the magic happens. Logging in is straightforward, and once you're signed in, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Now that you're in, take a look over at the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a variety of options to navigate through Grammarly's offerings. For our purpose today, focus on locating the option labeled Docs. Clicking on Docs is your gateway to accessing all your stored writings and drafts. Think of it as your personal library within Grammarly, where every document you've worked on gets neatly filed away. Upon clicking Docs, the screen will display all of your saved documents. These are conveniently organized under categories like Today or All Documents. This feature allows you to easily locate recent drafts as well as older ones without having to sift through unnecessary files. It's designed to streamline your workflow, saving time and effort. To see the editing history of a document, simply click on the document you're interested in. Opening a document in Grammarly is seamless, and once inside, you'll find an integrated feature that provides a comprehensive look at the document's history. This part of Grammarly allows you to revisit suggestions made in the past, track improvements, and observe how your writing has evolved. Through this, you can gain insights into your writing habits, proofreading skills, and areas that may need more focus. Viewing the editing history can be incredibly enlightening. It's like having a built-in proofreader, which not only improves your work, but also helps you learn from your previous mistakes. By retracing your steps, you gain a better understanding of your writing style and how it changes over time, leading to more polished and concise documents. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to make the most of Grammarly's editing history feature. By using this tool, you can ensure that your writing is not only correct, but continually improving. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Grammarly experience. Remember to check out our other tutorials for more tips on writing and editing.